Well, go on traders, yeah, the traders here again. Alright guys, so Mullen is doing its own little thing guys. Nothing to really write home about guys, but at least we are looking green. We are looking, the greener is always the better. So I came across a video yesterday, which I want to share with you guys. Let me just hop right into it here. So this video is from Penny Stocks today, and this apparently is an older video, maybe sometime last year. It was recorded with the Mullen CEO David Metry. He was speaking about the stock when it came down below the $1 mark, but it was pretty interesting what he said, so just listen in and you will get the details.
Stock right now is currently under $1. Last time it was above $1 was in July of this year. That being said, what are your thoughts of getting this above $1?
Fundamentals, simple answer. Get out there and deliver. And we're doing that. People were skeptical about our our ability to show them a product. We showed them product at the LA Auto Show, and then we showed them a drivable vehicle, a demonstrator. We specifically focused on our technology because that's what makes us important, is our intellectual property, which is our persona and our infotainment, as well as how this vehicle is going to perform and the specs that it has. These are all very unique aspects of the vehicle that make it special. But what's more important than anything else is being able to deliver product, get it to the consumer, collect on it. Again, all of the hype and the potential about future potential that everybody, all of the SPACs and all the guys over the last 2 years that riding that wave, I knew it was going to come down to who can actually perform, deliver, and collect.
Alright guys, so that's pretty interesting. What he said is all about, intellectual property. It's not just about the vehicle, and it's also about delivery guys. So yeah, that is what we want Mullen to start doing, and as you can see, Mullen has been forming a lot of partnerships, and it has huge potential in terms of getting the deliveries out. So let's take a look and see what's going on with Mullen since yesterday. So let's zoom in on the 5-minute chart. So as you can see, Mullen kind of held its own. So it came all the way down to 10.75. So guess what guys, we're holding that firm 10 cent guys. I don't think we're gonna be heading back below that 10 cent. So it held firm. Pushed up, I think the highest yesterday was 11.30, which is a great sign. We are inching higher. We are getting some higher lows, which is good, and higher highs. So each day we're getting some higher highs. So pre-market, we got a drop, came down to 10.60. and now we pop back up a little bit up to 10.97, so we're hovering around the 11 cent mark. Alright, so let's take a look and see what's going on Yahoo Finance. Did we get a sell-off, or is it holding steady? So on Yahoo Finance, as you can see, Mullen gave us green yesterday again, 2.42%. Pre-market up, basically flat pre-market. And market cap, we didn't get a sell-off. We are holding at around 233, which is pretty good. We are holding that level. The volume didn't come in, not much volume came in as per compared to the average. Sorry. We got 172 million compared to the average volume of 241. There wasn't any new news, as you can see here, no new news. But compared to the overall market, the TSX was basically flat, S&P flat, Dow flat. But Mullen actually gave us some green yesterday. If we compare to the comps, Arrival, wow, look at that guys, fell 14%. Yeah, that's why, I said it at the time when we saw Arrival popping up. I think it went up to almost 30%, came back down, but it was like a high percentage of green. they had in terms of stock popping. And I did say, usually you will buy the rumor and sell the news. So right now, the arrival, the news has reached the mainstream media. They know that the merger, either happened or they're now hearing about the merger. I don't know if it actually happened, but once you buy at the time when the rumor was just coming out, and when the news hits, you sell, and this is what is happening. It's selling right off. So Lucid up 5%, Neo up 5%. So not a bad day for EV stocks. So let's hop back in and see what's going on with the options for Mullen, that is. So call options that came in a little bit higher than before. So we had 20,000 that came in. Puts was basically small. So that's what came in yesterday. For open interest for this week, we're looking at 16,000, relatively small compared to usually around 30,000. For the 21st, which is next week, we are popping at 106,000, guys. So remember I said that it seems like someone knows that something is happening, or maybe they're anticipating that by the following week, the 28th, when Mullen must meet the threshold of $1 to be to stay on the Russell. Maybe what investors are thinking, that yes, by the week before, the Friday before, there will be a pop in the stock to try and push it closer to the $1. I doubt that will happen in any case, but at least I take any green any day of the week. All right, so let's get back to the chart and see how are we holding the support levels. Because what I want to see is for Mullen, as I keep saying, Mullen to start curling back up. And are we seeing that now? So let me just adjust this a bit. So as you can see here, Mullen had pushed up from the 887, went all the way to the 1690, came back down to the 963, and now we're hovering above the 10, pushed up to 1174, came back down, we're still hovering above the 10. So there is definitely a curl that's happening here, guys. So my thought on what will happen with Mullen in the next few days would be that we will try to retest at least the 1393 level, this level right here, or even try to retest the 1690. So we want to see a retest of this level. That's just my opinion. So not financial advice, but where Mullen is right now, it's a very good level to get in. But I'm already loaded, so I'm just kind of waiting patiently for Mullen to start making its move. So on the RSI, we are basically at I would say in between overbought or the oversold territory. We are at a mid-range level. So the RSI is basically not giving us anything right now. On the MACD is looking green, which is good. And usually when the MACD is green, then we usually will see some positive moves. Just like back then, we got the MACD green here. MACD was green here again, and it's here this level. It kind of struggled to hold the support based on what was happening at the time, so it fell through the support. So overall, guys, I'm thinking we should see some movement upwards with Mullen, but again, that's just my opinion. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think in terms of what will be happening with Mullen over the next few days. And I would say between now and next week, what do you think? Do you think Mullen would actually try to maybe push up to the $1 or even 50 cents, which I doubt, but at least hit me up and let me know what you think will be happening between now and next week. Okay, guys, that's kind of what I have for you for today. So As usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, guys.